Xero's payroll tool streamlines pay runs for small businesses, handling calculations, taxes, and filings automatically. Requires payroll subscription, add-on to your plan, and setup first. Assumes employees are added, payroll, employees, add employee, with details like pay rates and tax info. Steps: access pay run, log into Xero, go to payroll. Left menu, pay employees, click new pay run or run payroll. Enter pay period, select dates, for example weekly or bi-weekly. Choose employees, all or specific. Input hours and wages. Review and edit ordinary hours, overtime, bonuses, or allowances per employee. Xero auto-calculates gross pay, deductions, tax, superannuation, and net pay. Preview and post. Click Review. Check totals, errors, for example tax codes. Post pay run. This finalizes and updates ledgers. Pay employees. Download payment file, ABA or BACS. Import to your bank for batch transfers. Or use Xero's direct bank payments if enabled. File reports. Xero auto-submits STP, single-touch payroll, to ATO, AU, or equivalent. Download payslips for employees via email or self-service. Tips: set recurring templates, payroll, pay templates, for efficiency. Track leave and super in employee profiles. Mobile. Use Xero app for approvals on the go.